my Barbie, what we got here is fucking LS. This is God's motor, my bro. Will not let you down. The gearbox definitely fucked out on me, but the SR bus, she goes hard.
Exactly. Hey guys, back for round 2, day 2 of Matsuri. Out here, beautiful weather this morning. It's like a cool 20-24 degrees or something. Absolutely beautiful, perfect blue sky. Perfect day for do some skids, mate. Do some drifts. If you're new here to the channel, like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Roll the intro.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Bro, running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Alright, so we're back. Just an update. If you didn't watch the last episode, go watch that now, because it's freaking sick. The S13 went unbelievably good all day yesterday. Only had very minor issues, nothing real too hectic. If you've seen anything online about the LS1 blowing or needing a new LS1, it was just a joke. So, the mighty LS1's going hard. I'm going to try and do the whole day today without popping the bonnet. I tried that yesterday, but accidentally popped it prematurely. But yeah, S13 is a mint, mate. Sold heaps of stickers, heaps of shirts. Got the main man here. So good. Xavier. He's having a ball in his freaking sick car. So, did we do on my channel about your pink car? No. We didn't. Okay, so here. Oh, wait, did we? I don't know if it was yours. We did like a free-for-all one. I don't know if it was yours or mine. Yeah. No. It looks like this now. Anyway, if you haven't seen it, there's a fully sick pink car here. With like fully sick engine bay respray, rocker covers with an SR, maybe engine swap at some stage, but
100% definitely doing an engine swap. And
insert,
then the engine that's in here goes back in.
Nah. Insert RB25 now. I can't edit it in.
Why would I downgrade?
I don't know, man. Anyway, so he's got a problem. Many a problems. His diff is opening up when he's trying to drive, so that's always a shit time. And then last night he comes in, he's got a bit of a leak on the ground. What was the leak, Mr. Xavier?
Oh, apart from horsepower, it was fuel.
There was fuel on the ground, mate. And then what have you spent all night doing, mate?
So, drain the tank through cycling the key and using one of those fucking jigglers.
Yeah.
And then drill a hole in the bottom of the tank with fire extinguisher ready.
Because there was already a hole there.
There was already a hole there.
Yeah.
Yes. So at some point I've dropped. Surprisingly, I never got off track. And then yeah, flicked the stone up and like punched it, slightly ruptured the tank, which is pretty crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah, which is really annoying. But so yeah, drain the tank and then use like some Kenny weld
Need, yeah.
And then yeah, drill the hole in the tank, tried to shove that in. It worked for about 4 hours yesterday, and then yeah, we just started leaking in it. So yeah, drill the hole, and then hopefully it's done that. 3 applications needed, and now there's some other stuff on there. So
every single possible glue that we can find is on the fuel tank, and we're like fingers crossed that Xavier can drive today. So much fun when we're out there together. We've also got Kyle here in his blue BMW. He's doing some repairs. This is just like the typical Matsuri, like it's just like Matsuri stories.
Yeah.
You could make a whole freaking episode, like a series on it.
Yeah, just like the lengths people do to fix their broken shite.
Yeah. No doubt there's people doing gearboxes right now and all sorts of shit. Sorry for them, and we're blessed with the garage, so we had nice shelter all night with lights and pretty flat floors. Freaking, if you're like interested in going to Matsuri and never been before, definitely recommend getting a garage.
Don't get a garage, we want to get one. Stop taking our garages, please.
That's 100% true. I'll edit out the first one. Yeah, but yeah, garage is sick. But yeah, we're in the big open section, so we got freaking all these fully sick cars here. Hello. Fully sick people. All the fully sick people. Yeah, it's so chill, man. It's freaking sick. They actually silenced the music last night at a decent time. Like some security guards came around, and I was like, yes! So got some sleep last night, which was sick. But yeah, just gonna fuel up. Just gotta make a trip down the servo, get some 98, fill up these Jerry's. The S13 used 80 litres yesterday, but I did drive like the whole entire freaking day from 8 till 10. Like I drove a shitload, and I used 2 sets of tyres, 2.5 sets of tyres. So that's pretty sick because today's a little shorter. Today goes from 8 till 10, 8 till 4. But I will use like two sets of tires right at the end on the drifter armor layout because they just melt. The tire squirter seems to be working, so I have to top the tank up because it's empty at the moment. But other than that, oh, this gear shit, this linkage in here keeps coming loose, but I've tightened it up pretty good, so hopefully that stays good. Yeah, basically that's it. So I'm just gonna go out and send it. I did want to do short track, but Xavier's not coming, so I don't know. He gives me confidence, and I'm not that confident in going over there by myself and just like sending it at the wall. I kind of wanted to just follow him, but we might end up over there if I can get the balls. It's just so hectic. Like if you crash there, the whole car's going to absolutely hunted. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty energized now. I was pretty dead last night, so keen to do it all again today. If you haven't already, hit the like button, drop a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go do some skids, mate. Let's do some skids.
Run around today on the camera.
Yeah. So this is the process of filling up the tire squirters. It's not that bad. Luckily I'm only like 5 foot tall. I can actually stand in here. It's actually heaps of room, mate. And we just put the water in the top, mate. Just like that. So some people have come up and met me today in person and said, holy shit, you're short. And I was like, yeah, mate. That's how tall I am. I'm only 5 foot. I do look taller on the camera, but I'm not tall. So good, I can see the reflection. So yeah, this tire squirters seem to be working, so I'm definitely going to keep using them. We should have heaps of tires. Probably have like 1 set left over, hopefully. Today's a bit shorter than yesterday, so maybe have 2 left over. Fingers crossed. We're about to go out and do some more skids. Let's go. issues and I couldn't be stuck fixing it. So I just sent it. The tyres were just melting, had no grip, and then on the last like 5-6 runs, I was like drifting, but I wasn't trying to do like big angle and waste all the tyre. I thought it was going to end, but they just kept letting us go. We had so many freaking laps, it's crazy. But yeah, the car did so freaking good. I didn't pop the bonnet today. I actually zip tied it shut. The bonnet's zip tied shut at the moment, and yeah, almost didn't pop it yesterday. I popped it by accident. Oh, that's freaking sick. But I have like had this car out here multiple times. Fix the heaps of things with it. It's bent. Now we go pack up, go home, and go to work tomorrow.